We have exciting news to share, Saint Bede family. As the rule of Saint Benedict reminds us, it is important to be intentional in our actions and to make the conscious decision to be grateful for where we are, but move forward confidently as we seek greater stability. Beginning again, as we tend to do at the start of each new year, is about acknowledging the present, but making plans to move forward and seek greater stability. In the spirit of Saint Benedict, seeking stability does not mean stagnation. So this month, we will begin $5 million of planned enhancements and improvements to our 132-year-old beloved Academy building. Join us, be a part of this exciting transformation.
Thanks to the generous support of alumni, donors, and very special friends who believe in the mission of Saint Bede, work has begun on Phase 3 of the Legacy Campaign. This robust and transformational project will renovate 39,460 square feet of teaching and learning space in the Academy building. The renovation was designed with the help of an architectural firm that specializes in historic preservation and contractors very familiar with our building to ensure we retain the iconic character of the building while incorporating 21st century technology and mechanical systems.
Construction has now begun on the north wing of the second floor. Given the size and scope of the project, renovations are expected to be conducted while students are in session in 4 sections over 24 to 36 months. Construction must be fully funded for each section before proceeding. We anticipate this initial phase of renovation to be completed by the start of the next school year. 7 classrooms will be overhauled and a new teacher collaboration space will be added. Work will include infrastructure upgrades including new windows, lighting, heating, cooling, and electrical. New lockers will be installed as well as new classroom furnishings and technology to provide continuity between the Perino Science Center learning environment and remaining educational spaces throughout the building. We look forward to welcoming our students and faculty to new spaces for the start of classes in the fall. Alumni will get a first-hand view at homecoming weekend and future Bruins at the 8th grade open house.
We are blessed that our mission and hard work have seen such generous and meaningful support to this most important capital project, but we're not there yet. As we get ready to swing the first hammer, you can keep the momentum going. With your participation, we can raise the remaining $1.5 million needed to finish the entire project. Please be sure to visit our Legacy page on our website for more information and to make a gift to the Academy Renovations for Phase 3 of the Legacy project. Be sure to follow our construction progress on social media and check back often on our websites for updates. What better time than the start of a new year to make this wonderful announcement and to remember that always we begin again. Thank you for being a part of this journey. If you are interested in recognition or dedication opportunities, please contact me directly to share thoughts regarding your wishes in that regard. I'll be happy to discuss ideas with you.